In this video of the Getting Started series, we will be covering the view of the conditional tabs that are associated and visible for inventory items in OrderLogix. As other sections of inventory are updated and modified that pertain to specific inventory items, they will be reflected in the inventory item window. Navigate to the black menu bar that is Company Data, and then click on the hyperlink that is Inventory Item List. Once you are viewing the list of inventory items, you can click the green Edit Pencil icon next to the inventory item that you wish to view updated information for. This is where you can view the quantity on hand, units committed, and units backordered that have been adjusted for the inventory item. You will also see multiple tabs that have been updated as the inventory item has been associated to other sections of inventory, such as locations, products, suppliers, purchase orders, and receipts. You will also be able to view the history of the inventory item in relation to all activity for it regarding the inventory section. When you first click into the inventory item, you will see the first item that it displays is the Location tab. This tab will display the locations in which the inventory item is being stored and is managed through receiving inventory. This will be discussed in a different tutorial. If you click on the Products tab, you will see the OLCC item or items that the inventory item is associated to, with description information displayed as well as the unit of measure it's sold by and the quantity and count. Keep in mind that if you do not see data in some or all of the tabs yet, that means that portion of the setup hasn't been completed. The next tab you will see is the Suppliers tab, and this displays all suppliers that are set up to offer that particular inventory item. This would display corresponding supplier information, including any lead time that was entered to identify how long it would take before the inventory is received by the warehouse. The Purchase Orders tab will display all purchase orders that the inventory item has been placed on, along with the PO number, expected cost of inventory, and other various information. The Receipts tab will display what's been received for inventory and may or may not have been received from previously displayed purchase orders. We will be covering purchase orders and receipts in another tutorial. You will see the receipt number, the status of the receipt, as well as the pricing and who it was received by, amongst other receipt data. The last tab that will display updated information related to this inventory item is the History tab, which will show adjustments and/or moves of this inventory item, as well as the dates and times the changes were made. When you are finished viewing the information, you can click the Cancel button to cancel the changes and close the window. You can click the Print button to print the details that you are currently viewing for the inventory item, or you can click the Delete button to delete the inventory item. Be careful when deleting information in the system that's already been associated to other features. The last option that you have is to click the Save button in order to save the changes and close the window. This will refresh the list page and display the changes. This concludes the tutorial on viewing conditional fields for inventory items.